Boosters, this is a tutorial on how to use our EMA with pivot points. All right, this is a great combination when used correctly. Now, as you can see, we've got our EMA. Our setting for the EMA is 200, as you can see right there, and our pivot point, this is exactly the indicator we used by Lux Algo. Settings are default. So I'd like to make something clear, right? This is a very simple strategy, a very, very simple one. All right. Now, I normally say this to most people is that what I normally say to most people is the most important thing when it comes to trading is your psychology, not the strategy. The strategy is to give you a direction, and following that direction, you need psychology, if you get what I mean. All right, cool. So we're gonna go to our pivot point. Gonna tweak it, give it 20. Great, just like that. All right, cool. So as you know how the the EMA works, when price is above our EMA, we're looking for buys. When price is below our EMA, we're looking for sells. All right. Let's say, for example, price is above our EMA, which is the yellow line. We're looking for buys. All right. So whenever our pivot points prints a new signal, you want to wait for an engulfing candle or a green candle to form, which is right here. All right. Green candle form. Take a stop. Stop loss underneath the lows right here. You want to target the most recent high, which is right there. And as you can see, we have another signal right here. An engulfing candle formed. Target here, target this high right there. All right. Now let's try that again. Now, as you can see, price is below our EMA, prints a pivot point right here. Take a sell. Price is above our EMA, prints a pivot point, take a buy. It is just very simple, guys. Follow this strategy and trust me, you definitely make profit if you follow this strategy. As you can see, price is below our EMA. We have a nice pivot point right here. Take a nice sell. And remember, guys, this is a very simple strategy for you to use. Take advantage of it. As you can see, prices above our EMA right here. Pivot point, engulfing candle, or a green candle. Take a buy, and that's it. It is as simple as that. All right. 1, 2, 3 strategy. If you have a question, let me know in the comment sections, and I'll be happy to help you. Have a good day.